Okay, so our lesson for today is all about simple interest. So, unsay pasabutan ng simple interest? Kinsay na ay idea? Wala? Okay. So, ang simple interest, it's tubo. Tubo sa imong gi-invest o sa imo ang giborrow nga money from a bank or from any form of loans or any form of savings nga imong gisudlan. So, tubo. For example, mangutang ka or mag-savings ka sa bangko, no, di ba naman na interest, mutubo man nimo ang kwarta every year. So, mo na simple interest. So, ang interest is nakadepende siya sa imo ang investan o imo ang baruhan nga bank. Pero ang uban, di ba, na uban kay kanang mga loans sa mga pag-asa, asa ka na. Lahi po ang ila ang way of pagsingil sa imo ang interest. Okay, so simple interest. So in getting the annual simple interest na atay formula nga gamiton, so this is the formula. I sub S is for simple interest. And then the formula is, it is equal to the product of your P, your R, and your T. Your P here is the principal or ang kwarta nga imo ang i-invest or i-borrow. Your R here is the simple interest rate, kana mga percentage. And then your T here is your time in years. So sa pagkuha sa annual interest, simple interest, we are referring to the yearly interest given sa imo sa isa ka bank or any form of account. Okay, now, from this formula, we can get, if you are asked to find the rate, the time, and the principal, naapote formula ana. Tara, given gapon. So these formulas are derived from the annual simple interest formula. Okay, let's have an example. A bank offers 0.25% annual simple interest rate for a particular deposit. How much interest will be earned if 1 million pesos is deposited in the savings account for 1 year? Okay. So first thing, basta problem solving, first thing to do is we need to identify what is asked. So what is asked? The problem is asking for us to find the simple interest that we are going to earn. So nag-deposit daw kuno kag 1 million pesos sa imong savings account. Unya sa gitagaan kag 0.25% annual simple interest rate. So pila ang imo ang simple interest sa isa ka tuig? Pila imo ang tubo sa imo ang kwarta? Okay. So after identifying the problem or what is asked, let us identify also what are the given facts. So these are the given facts. So given naman di ani 0.25% simple interest rate. So imong rate R. Naana po given di ani nga 1 million pesos. Imong gi-invest or imong gi-deposit sa imong savings account. That would be considered as your P or your principal. And then given po ang year, time of year, which is 1 year. Okay. Ang imong rate, one thing you also need to remember sa rate is that we need to convert the rate since it's in percentage form. We cannot multiply a percentage form in any number. So, kinahanglan pa nato i-convert ang ato ang percentage into decimal form. So, in converting a percentage into decimal point, pangitaon nimo ang iyaang point sa percentage. Kung makita na nimo, you will then move 2 places to the left. So, 1, 2. So, magdungag pa kag another 1, 0. So, muna nahimong 0.0025. Okay. So then, na naman tayo given, pwede na nato makita si simple interest. Tara. So solution. So this is the formula. Simple interest is equal to the product of your principal, your rate, and your time. So simple interest equals, kani, substitute the value of principal, which is 1 million, times the value of your rate, which is 0.0025. Again, di na to gamiton ang percentage, kundi ang decimal form. And then times the value of your time, which is 1 year. So, i-multiply na tanan, your simple interest will be is equal to 2,500. So, your final answer, since this is a problem solving, well, you should have a conclusion, of course. So, your conclusion would be the interest earned for 1 year is 2,500. Mara. Okay? Questions?
Giyon sa ganito ma'am, gi-multiply ra siya ma'am or
Multiply ra. Tay, gamito na ni siya. Kani pasabot ani mga nagdikit nga number, you are going to multiply.
okay ma'am.
Okay. Another question? Wala na. Okay, send thumbs up if you understand. Thumbs up. Okay, very good. Okay, so let me just clarify again the percentage saan siya pagkuan pag convert into decimal, no? So again, if you have 0.50%, so kung i-convert ni mo ni into decimal, di ba naraman diri ang point. So mag-move kag 2, perminti 2 ha, 2 places to the left. Okay, so 1, 2. Diri na imong decimal. So mag-adding ka, since na may blank dire, at kag 0, kanya na may 0 daan ang isa ka move nimo. And then, diri din 0 po dire. So, 0.50% in decimal form would be 0.0050. Okay? Another. If you're going to transform 6% in decimal point. So, 6 is in whole number. Ba? Wala kayo makita nga point. So, kung wala kayo makita nga point, ang imo ang point ana is naa sa last part of the number. Sa last. So, to make it in decimal, move 2 places to the left. 1, 2. Diri na. Imo ang point, diri na dayon. So, na naman diri 6, then add 1, 0. Okay, naman isa ka ano. And then 0 here para sa outside. So, your 6% will become 0.06 in decimal form.